Hey there, welcome to our video on how to create a morning routine that will set you up for a productive and successful day. Now, I know what you're thinking, get up early. No thanks, I prefer to hit snooze a million times. But trust me, a morning routine can be fun and enjoyable. First things first. Let's talk about the importance of a morning routine. It's like having a personal assistant to kickstart your day. It can help improve your focus, increase your energy levels, and set the tone for the day. And let's be real, who doesn't want to be the person who has their things in order? So, where do we start? Well, the first step is to actually wake up at a reasonable hour. And no, I'm not talking about 5 am, unless you're a morning person. Start by setting your alarm 15 minutes earlier than usual, and gradually work your way up. And let's be real, the snooze button is the devil, so try to avoid it as much as possible. Next, plan your day. Before you even get out of bed, take a few minutes to plan out your day. This will help you feel more in control and less overwhelmed. And let's be real. Who doesn't love crossing things off a to-do list? Now, let's talk about some activities to include in your morning routine. Sure, you can go for a run or do yoga. But let's be real, some of us aren't morning people. So, try something simple like stretching. Or even just taking a few minutes to sit in silence and enjoy your cup of coffee. And let's be real. Coffee is the real MVP of any morning routine. And finally, make it sustainable. A morning routine is only effective if you can stick to it. And the key to making it sustainable is to keep it simple and make it fun. Try to find activities that you enjoy and that work for you. And don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Just get back on track the next day. Another tip is to be flexible and adapt your morning routine as needed. If something isn't working for you, don't be afraid to change it up. And remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about finding what works for you. And one more thing, be consistent. A morning routine is only effective if you do it every day, so try to stick to it as much as possible. And if you find yourself struggling to get out of bed in the morning, try going to bed earlier or creating a bedtime routine to help you relax and wind down before bed. A morning routine is a powerful tool to start your day on the right foot. And it doesn't have to be boring. By finding activities that you enjoy, being flexible, consistent and keeping it simple, you'll be able to create a sustainable morning routine that sets you up for a productive and successful day. And remember, coffee is always a good idea. Alright, folks, we've reached the end of our video on how to create a morning routine that will set you up for a productive and successful day. We hope you found our tips and tricks helpful and are feeling motivated to start your own morning routine. Now, if you're looking for an extra boost in productivity, have you ever heard of binaural beats? These sounds can help you focus, relax, and even sleep better. And the best part is, we've included a link in the bio for a free binaural beats download to help you improve your productivity. But that's not all. Binaural beats can also help with reducing anxiety and stress, improve memory, and even boost your immune system. Who knew a simple sound could do all that? So, don't wait. Click the link in the bio now and give binaural beats a try. And don't forget to implement the tips and tricks we've discussed in this video to create a sustainable and enjoyable morning routine. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more productivity and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.